So it's a bit windy outside today, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So I've got a consistent misfire on cylinder 4. I've swapped HT leads, I've swapped spark plugs between cylinders 3 and 4, swapped the injectors between cylinders 3 and 4. I've performed a fuel pressure test, which is 5.5 bar. You can test it with the lower and the upper system pressures, and I've got 0.4 of a bar between the two. Done a return to the tank flow test, which is in excess of 2 litres in a minute, which is in spec. Performed a compression test, which is 12 bar on cylinder 4, which is the same as it was when I checked last time, which is a few thousand miles ago. Yeah, can't work it out.